wasn't about them. It's all about this guy right here.
Do you know who I am?
You fuck.
This arrow through his throat? She wanted him to die slowly.
She.
We got a hair. And he's got a new assassin.
Who does?
Roman Bouvet Sionis.
Wow.
Detective.
Yeah.
Found his necklace.
Holy shit. Good work, officer.
What is it?
Harley Quinn and the Joker broke up.
What?
This was their spot. She just publicly updated her relationship status. Harley Quinn just called open season on herself. She did not think this one through.
Yeah, no shit, I didn't think it through. I'm about to learn that a lot of people in this city want me dead. And at the top of that list is this guy.
Mr. Keogh and his lovely wife and daughter. You kind of forced my hand here. Gotta say, I'm a little disappointed. I gave you a great pitch, didn't I? I thought we could build something beautiful together. I thought we could be family.
Good. Yep.
What about her?
I think we can let her go. I mean, this is a pretty loud fucking shit show of a message. Baby. Oh. Don't cry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ew.
Is that a snot bubble? Ew. Gross. Oh, I've changed my mind. Peel it off.
The whack job with the penchant for peeling faces is Roman Sionis, aka Black Mask. The fact that he wants me dead hasn't yet hit my radar. See, I was halfway across town, hungover, and thinking about breakfast. Egg,
That's where I got it from.
bacon, American cheese,
You know her eggs
Soft.
are fried all the way.
toasted buttered roll, just a dash of hot sauce. Not too much, Sal. What a taste of cheese. What a way to start my new life.